Traditionally, apocalyptic films often explores the darkest aspect of human nature, including greed, violence, and lust for power. Movies like The 100 and The Purge depicts societies where the broken down of law and order leads to chaos and moral decay. These films serve as a stark reminders of the consequences of the actions and the importance of empathy and understanding in building a better world. Furthermore, some apocalypse films offer commentaries and contemporary societal and political issues. For example, the Snowpiercer is a metaphor for class struggles with the train's rigid societal hierarchy mirroring real world inequalities. Similarly, District 9 uses its alien invasion premise to explore themes of racism, xenophobia, and refugee crisis. In conclusion, apocalypse films are rich in hidden messages that offers valuable insights into society, human nature, the world we live in, whether they serve as a cautionary tale, reflections of human condition, or commentaries on contemporary issues.